For today's video, we're gonna discuss about the attitude of smart people. Ano bang katangian ng mga magagaling at mga smart na tao? First, they're usually quiet than others. Smart people often prefer to listen and observe rather than dominate conversations. Diba? Mas tahimik sila. Okay. Second, they are aware of their own ignorance because smart people recognize the limits of their knowledge and are open to learning more. Diba? Mas open silang matuto. Hindi sarado ang isip nila na alam na nila lahat. Third, they avoid bragging. Instead of bragging, smart people let their actions speak for themselves. Diba? Fourth, guys, they are humble. Mapagpakumbaba sila. Despite their intelligence, they remain modest about their abilities. Fifth, guys, they may have fewer close friends. They find it difficult kasi to connect deeply with others because of their unique perspective. Diba? Sixth, guys, they ask insightful question. Kasi alam nyo guys, yung mga smart na tao, they question deeply, seeking to understand and analyze. Diba? Guys, number 7, they identify flaws and loopholes. They are often examine systems or arguments to find imperfections. Diba? Mas malalim yung mga tanong kasi iniisip muna nila yan. 8, guys, they enjoy reading. A love of books and continuous learning is common among intelligent people. Next, guys, this is number 9. They have strong intuition. Malakas ang pakiramdam. They can often sense the true intentions and feelings of others. Nararamdaman nila yon, kutob nila. Number 10, they avoid confrontation. Intelligent individuals generally avoid unnecessary arguments and conflicts. Ayaw makikipagdiskusyon yan ng walang kwenta. So, guys, ang maipapayo ko sa inyo is live purposely. Okay?